tell you chicken or the different blood clot but that for chicken.
Where you make chicken back?
Seagull. Seagull. Seagull make chicken back, I tell you. Put it on the ear, make them know seagull make chicken back.
Yo, you have to go explain that to the people in artist. Cause a big allegation that in a
get a whole of chicken and buy 2 pounds of chicken back and see if you get the same amount of fat of chicken you get from the chicken back. And then you know, you get more fat of a chicken back than the chicken. Someone, how is that possible? Say chicken back come from chicken. How is that possible? And if the chicken, may I show you say the chicken can only bust in a 4 quarters.
Yeah.
2 breasts and wing, 2 leg and thighs.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to do it, so you take off the leg off of the thigh, take off the thigh off of the blood clot part of the chicken, then take off the wing, take off the breast. Which part the back left? And what you find?
Yeah.
It two little piece of real part when you remember the chicken back don't get so side. Alright. But you have to clean out of the chicken back. The intestine where you have to clean out of it. So much in the chicken.
Not that
if I chicken back child now, don't cut off the thigh. The leg and thigh and the breast and wing, you know. Left the back. The little part where you have to clean out in it. So much left in it. So much are supposed to left in it. A blood clot. You don't get so much out of the chicken itself. So all so much in the back.
A special phone left for Joe. That's a special phone left. Hybrid, you know?
Brother, seagull them down a Brazilian people and kill out and sell with that, but they sweet still where some them come down.
You hear that? So, yeah, this nice a chicken back no nice, so we no feed chicken back. We just a set.
It's a different bird than a chicken. We
yeah.
Stop tricky people then.
We need to look into the chicken back something there.
Stop tricky people then, you know. You want me to tell you. Clean up a chicken right now and clean up 2 pounds of chicken back and see if you get the same amount of intestine out of that. You seagull for now Brazil, man. The Brazilian go kill them out on the seaside.
So you say it's a seagull?
Yeah, so we have seagull that too.
Best dressed gull.
Tell us a special phone.
Yeah, but like seagull when they are by chance they use all the garlic in them to make it get it done. Then terrible, man. No, but they sweet. I watch ya. The chicken back. Spring. More oil than the chicken.
Yeah, acho.
If it's acho.
Acho, brother.
Where so much oil come from?
Clean up the chicken.
And the chicken back. And the chicken back bone tastes different from the chicken bone, you know.
Chicken back, you know, get that out of our chicken.
Jaglad, the chicken back bone tastes different from the chicken bone, you know. I love chicken back. But I tell you, so my sister I chicken back, man. I love the bone business.
Chicken back keep bad too.
I'm not too love.
I want a sweet piece of bird, but I'm not chicken. I'm not stop trick with.
Best dressed gull.
Best dressed gull.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.